my name's Claire McCarthy and I'm a consultant nurse for emergency care. So that includes the minor injury units and the emergency department. We're here in the minor injury unit today, and here in the minor injury unit we can see patients that present with injuries. This includes broken bones, sprains, wounds, cuts, burns, head injuries that are minor and don't have any concerning symptoms. We can also see minor injuries to eyes and to the nose and to the ears and to the face. So you will see an emergency nurse practitioner who will be able to assess you, diagnose you, request x-rays and manage you with a range of treatments. So if you need urgent medical advice, then 111 is the appropriate number to call. You can also use their online symptom checker to work out where you need to be that's suitable for your injury or your illness. Please ensure that if it is life-threatening that you do call 999 or attend your local emergency department.